Okay, now in this video we have in the last video we have seen how to resolve the tailwind animate CSS issue, and in this video we'll create our first landing page, that is the home page. So what we need to do now is we can use this shadcn finder block. Okay, and we can find some components here. So for our landing page. So now our landing page looks like this. So we will create a navigation bar. Okay, so I'll check the nav bar here. So what nav bars we have? Okay, we have this responsive nav bar. So we'll take this. Okay, we'll copy this command here and let's install the responsive nav bar into our application. Okay, this would take some time to install. So I'm going to say yes here. And we can see that our components have been installed, which are required for the nav bar. Okay, so now if we go to the code, we can see a components folder here, and then the UI. These are all the blocks. And this is my component called as navbar, so I can include it into my root. So I'm going to delete all this code over here. So I'm going to delete also this. Okay, I'm going to delete as well this as well. And I'm going to have a blank template. And here I'm going to use import navbar1. Okay, and then I'm going to use this navbar over here. Okay, and if we see our application, we have a navbar that is right on the top. Okay, we should not place it here. We should place this in the layout. So let's do that. So this is my root layout now in the Next.js application. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this with my layout over here. Okay, so we do not have the footer now, but we have the navbar. So let's import the navbar. So I'll comment the footer and I will import the navbar here. So import, okay, here this will be navbar1. Okay, so the navbar will be imported over here, and I will save this. And now we have saved this, and we need to remove the navbar from this because this is a child component. So this is the home page. Okay, so we'll just put h1 and we can say home page. Okay, we can save this, and now if we see, we have a header. So you can see now there is a clean header that we have, which is responsive as well. So if we click on this, if we minimize this, it's responsive. Okay, so and the home page is appearing over here. So this is the child component. Now we can add a footer component. So let's check for footer over here. Footer. Okay, so this is the footer that I'm going to use. So you can go with the live preview, but I think I will copy the command from this, and I will install the footer. So I will click on paste here and install the footer too. Okay, we can see that the other components are installed. So what are the other components that will be installed in the UI folder? Okay, and we have a components footer 2 in our components directory. So if we go to a components directory, we can see a footer 2. So now let's import footer 2. By the way, we'll remove this from here and we'll go to our layout page. Let's import footer, import footer 2. Okay, and now we will uncomment the footer that we have commented. And if we see our application, now we can see that a footer also has been added. Okay, so we have a header, footer, and a home page. Okay, so next we need to create a landing page. So we will create that in the next video. So I'll provide the links for you in the description to find these components. So you can use the finder to find the components and install it. So thanks for watching, guys. So let's meet in the next video.